Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin on a cool bike in the shade. Disconnect the battery to avoid electrical contact while working. Use masking tape to protect paint, rubbers, and logo areas before applying polish. This prevents accidental damage. Apply a pea-sized amount of polish to a microfiber or foam applicator and start on a small panel to learn pressure and motion. Once done with the test area and satisfied with the finish, continue methodically across larger panels, keeping strokes consistent and moderate. You now focus on how you move the product. Begin with small circular motions to work polish into scratches, then transition to straight overlapping strokes to level the gloss. Work in 2 to 3 square-inch sections so the polish doesn't dry into haze. This makes removal easier and prevents streaks. If you use a polisher, pick a low RPM and a soft pad. This reduces heat buildup and prevents burning the metal. Make sure to check work often and adjust pressure as needed. You finish by buffing each area with a clean microfiber until the surface gleams. Inspect under direct light to catch missed spots. Once satisfied, apply a thin protective wax or metal sealant to lock in the shine and slow retarnishing. If you see haze or remaining fine scratches, don't panic. Repeat the process using a finer polish grade and gentler pressure, and make sure residue is fully removed between attempts. This troubleshooting step usually resolves persistent defects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.